Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Bethany, one busy mama, and we have Mindful Souls. Mindful Souls. So if you want to see what's inside my March Mindful Souls box, then stay tuned. Okay, so hashtag Mindful Souls. And as you guys know, or if you don't know, I do this collaboration with Wellness with Frugalmama. So please go check out her channel. I'll leave her link in the description box in case you haven't seen it. So let's jump into this box. This is a spiritual, crystal, all of the above type. Like not makeup, not skincare, not lifestyle. More focusing on you. Here we go. So this card tells us what's inside the box. It's got like a purple background. And then there's a quote. Pay attention to the things you are naturally drawn to. They are often connected to your path, passion, and purpose in life. Have the courage to follow them. Sorry, living with a toddler. Hashtag mom life. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Usually it's 6 to 8. We get an affirmation card. So here's our affirmation. Affirmation for career. Yes. Anybody thinking about changing careers or switching jobs? This says, wonderful new opportunities are opening up for me to use my unique and creative skills and abilities. So right here we have our Mindful Souls collection of affirmation cards. We usually get a sticker. So this says, feel the world. Yes, and he is meditating. I love it. Okay, so the first thing I see are these Nag Champa. These are incense. So Sai Baba Nag Champa, enjoyed by millions, is the most popular Indian incense in the world. Oh, it smells so good, really. And it has like a seal right here. So the Nag Champa is a hand-rolled blend of flowers, spices, and resins. Let's just give you a look-see at what they look like. So it's not your typical... Oh, it is. The card shows something different, but let's just see. Yeah, they're regular incense, so sticks. So if you have an incense burner, you could just stick it in there, or a makeshift one. I thought it was the cones, since it showed the picture of some cones, but that's quite all right. It does smell very fragrant at first, so make sure... if you don't like heavy scents, open a window or a fan. Okay, and then we get these little sachets or pouches, and each one has a different item. So this one, let's see what we got. Oh, it's a cute little comb. Why am I doing that? So this is a Jade hair comb. Cool. Used for centuries to stimulate blood circulation, promoting new hair growth. I'm not going to actually use it, but the holistic beauty treatment will leave you feeling relaxed. So it has like some points here, you can see. So you get a nice scalp massage. That's pretty cool, I would say. All right, next little baggie. It's smaller and it has a drawstring. So let's get into it. Ooh, can you guys see the color? It's like a deep blue. So, blue goldstone bracelet. Blue goldstone combines mysterious character and origins with a very practical health benefit. The copper particles suspended in the stones are thought to provide warming comfort to arthritic conditions and ease pain. Oh, that's interesting. I wonder if that works. Goldstone is also said to be the stone of wealth. It promotes vitality and ambition. So that's nice, right? Okay, next baggie here. Whew. I just got some dust in my face. Oh, this is pretty. This is very pretty. It's a raw citrine necklace powered by the sun. It has a gold chain here. But very, very pretty. Look at the details. So, powered by the sun, citrine is a stone of light and happiness. Its high vibes bring a clearer mind and a more positive outlook on life. Ooh, you know where I'm thinking? Like, you can hang this in your room or something. Citrine casts beams of joy throughout your space and spirit. Having a piece of raw citrine in your home creates an ambiance of happiness and elevates the vibrations in your home. Kind of like I was saying, hang it in your room somewhere. Let the sun catch it. That'd be pretty cool. All right, so let's see what we got next. Open this little baggy boo. Oh, this is different. All right. Oh, I pulled it the wrong way. So, oh, it's like a pendulum. So check out the details. Definitely a pendulum. So this is a rose quartz pendulum. A pendulum with the calming properties of a rose quartz crystal. To use your pendulum, you hold the small end in your hand, remaining very still, and ask yes or no questions. I actually have it a pendulum, but it's a clear quartz. But let your intuition guide you. So you want to try to remain as still as possible when you're asking questions, but typically you want to warm up your pendulum. So, you know, you ask it questions about yourself so you know that the answers are yes or no, and you kind of get a feel for the stone. But this is very pretty and decorated. Very different too. So it's weighted, so you kind of want to hold your pendulum very still when you're doing the questions, and it'll sway back and forth to kind of catch your rhythm or your spirit, and then you'll figure out what a yes or a no would be. So you would ask the pendulum, once you get used to it, like, show me a yes. And if you hold it very still, it should go up and down, which it's doing. And then you'll just ask it again, show me a no, and it should automatically change direction. And I'm trying not to move, guys. Trying very hard not to move. But I want you guys to see it. So, show me a no. Okay, you can see it starting to change. And when you're in person, it's even more crazy. And this hasn't even gotten used to me yet, so imagine. And the last item in our little baggie, this is a tumbled amethyst stone. Oh my God, this is brilliant and beautiful. I love amethyst. I have tons, not just because it's my favorite color, but amethyst is a natural stress reliever that brings protection and spiritual growth. It rids your home and body of negative energy while attracting positive energy. So amethyst stone holds the exact kind of relaxing energy that we could all use all day, right? So you want to be sure that when you get new stones or crystals, that you rinse them in running water or natural water, just to kind of get rid of the old vibes of anybody who was touching it, and wash your hands. But this is super, super pretty. Oh my gosh. And what a decorative piece that it could be. So let's recap, because I like a lot of these items. So we got the amethyst tumbled stone, very pretty. And if you're not familiar with any of these products, go ahead and look them up, especially a pendulum. I love having a pendulum. Like I said, I own one. The raw citrine necklace, very, very pretty. And you can hang that. Again, it doesn't have to be worn. And what did we have? Blue goldstone bracelet, another one that has great properties. We had the Jade hair comb, and lastly the Nog Champa incense. Very fragrant. I think it was a great box. If you have any other box ideas that are similar to this, also leave that in the comment section too. I'm always curious to try new products, new boxes, and showcase them to you guys. Also, don't forget to check out Wellness with Frugalmama. We do this collaboration every month, and I enjoy it. She is very well versed with all her spirituality items, and she can tell you a lot more in depth about the products. So I appreciate all of you for watching. Thanks so much, and until next time, stay safe.